I am excited to announce that OmniEdge is here. So now don't go DMing Ryan. He's not ready to release it officially yet. He still wants to make sure that it works as it should. I have been following it for a number of days now, and it sure looks great to me. So what is OmniEdge? OmniEdge is the enhanced version of the US levels indicator. If you just found us, what is the US levels indicator? It is an indicator that automatically plots levels before the New York session starts based on a methodology that I teach. And the reason it's so effective and accurate is because it mimics what the big institutions are looking for as far as targets. So when I first created this methodology, it was specifically for the New York session. However, we all understand, obviously, that institutions don't only trade during the New York session, they trade 22 hours a day, right? From 6 p.m. Eastern, when the markets open, until 4 p.m. the following day. During this 22-hour cycle, there are actually 4 shifts. So if you can think of, for example, a police officer can work from 8 to 4 or 4 to midnight or midnight to 8 a.m., markets have shifts as well. And what OmniEdge does, it identifies every shift and levels that go along with each and every shift. So now if you wish, you can trade 22 hours a day. Asian session, London session, New York session, or maybe you are only available in the second half of the New York session. Well, now you can trade only the second half of the New York session. For every shift, OmniTrader will find the key levels of entries and target. So for example, this is here the London session. The entry is always as close as you can make it to the midline, and of course you target these levels over here. So of course you can have a hard target, or if you wish and you have the patience, you can actually wait for the actual target to get hit. This here is the Asian session, and once again, you want to be long as close to the midline as you can, or short, depending where price is. And of course, you either have a hard target or you try and wait for the actual target to get hit. If you are only available in the second half of the New York session, there are opportunities as well. Again, same exact approach, and the OmniTrader just adjusts levels to each and every shift. And obviously it's not only NASDAQ, here is gold. Again, this is just the beginning of the New York session, but again, the targets are hit about 90% of the time, especially during the New York session. This is again gold during the London session. So again, very clean and very precise opportunities. This is gold during the Asian session. So this is an example of a short right to the target. You see the precision of the targets, and then that's again because what the indicator does, it identifies what the institutions are looking for. And again, just to make it clear, these levels are not painted after the fact. You will see these levels before the session ever starts, and you don't even need the indicator because you'll be able to calculate them on your own once you take the course. It's just that the indicator definitely saves time and it's very convenient. So make sure you are subscribed. I will have some live trading videos using OmniEdge during different time shifts, meaning during different points of the day. Asian session, London session. I don't sleep much, so I'll be taking trades at different times. I already kind of experimented actually with gold during the London session and did very well. Gold really moves nicely during the London session. And now with OmniEdge, I know ahead of time already where these levels are going to be, which gives me tremendous edge. And of course, that's what successful trading is all about, having the probability work on your side. So a big thanks to Ryan, who spent months, months working on this indicator, thousands of lines of code, trial and error, and he's stuck with it. Again, don't bother him yet. There was no official release yet, but we are very close. I'm confident in the month of October it should come out, so it's going to be very exciting. Again, from what I've been seeing, it already works terrific, but he does say there are a couple of bugs he wants to fix, so give him time. Don't pressure him. Thank you all very much. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope to see you, of course, in Discord.